Oh my god. Teddy, I need your help really bad. Oh man, don't you see me playing my game right now, man? What you want? Well, Teddy, the Thanksgiving is in less than an hour, and I can't find the turkey, okay? So I need you to go find it. You need me to find a turkey, fool? Yeah, and if you find it for me, then I'll give you whatever you want. Anything, just whatever you want, I'll give it to you. You just gotta find the turkey in less than an hour so we can have it for Thanksgiving, okay? Please? Alright, fool, man, I'll do it. Wait here, but don't touch my game, okay? Let me get the gun, the Glock. Alright, it's loaded. I'll be back in about 30 minutes, man. That sound good? Yeah, Teddy, that's fine. You just have to be here in less than an hour because that's when everyone's supposed to be coming over for Thanksgiving dinner, okay? So just find the turkey and bring it to the kitchen, okay? Alright, Bo, I got you. Let's go. Alright, fool, man, so we got to go find the turkey. I'm gonna go look in the backyard. I'm gonna go look outside. Let me see if I find some there. Alright, fool, man, we here. Alright, we just got to find the turkey, and I got my Glock, and it loaded, so as soon as we find them turkey, I'ma kill it. That's what we gonna do. I'ma kill it. And I'm bringing this side and I'm cook it. For me, what that turkey for? Wait, nah. That was a car. Alright, let me just reload this shit. There we go. Whoa, man, it's me filling on the floor. Alright, here we go. Turkey. That light. Where turkey at? Huh? Turkey, man, I got your Glock. Turkey. Man, I guess turkey ain't out here. Well, I'll go back inside. Maybe I can find it in there. Man, where am I gonna get a turkey at now, fool? It wasn't in the backyard, but outside again, but this time in the front yard. I can go to one of the other houses and I can rob them and steal the turkey. Oh, it's brilliant, fool, man. Alright, man, let's go do it. Let's go steal a turkey. Alright, fool. We outside. And over there, that's the house. That's the house that I'm gonna rob. Alright, so first, I gotta figure out how we gonna do this. How are we gonna do this? I'm gonna go back so that they don't catch me over here. Alright, fool. Okay. So, got to make up a plan of how I can rob the house. Cause obviously I can't just walk up in there and be like, give me the turkey. You know, robbing. Oh, is that a car? It's not a cop car, is it? Nah. It wasn't no cop car. It was just some white boy. But yeah, so where we going? I can't walk in there and steal it. Well, I guess I could be like Mr. Grinch up in there, try and take all they hoo hash and they turkey. Alright, let's go. I'm just gonna walk in there with a gun and be like, turkey please. Alright, fool. Man, it's really bright. Cool it. There we go. Alright, there's the house, man. Here's alright, let's go. We gotta walk over there nice and slowly, fool. Here's the house. We're pretty close. We're almost there. Got the Glock ready. Alright, man. Here we go. About to go up the house. Hey! What? Hey, what are you doing over there? Stop right there. Come here. Hey! Oh, man, you never gonna catch me, man. You never gonna catch me. Alright. Get back here, kid. Get back here. I'm in pursuit, officer, in pursuit. Okay, he's in the house. Oh man, where my go my game? Man. Man, the cop coming. There, I ain't got nothing for. I don't know what you're talking about. Are you the one that was trying to break into that house over there? Me, fool, man? Man, I don't do none of that, man. I don't break into houses. But I just saw you outside. You were standing right outside the house. I literally just saw you do that. Nah, man, you must have got me confused with some other dude, man. It wasn't me, I swear. I saw you. Just admit it, okay? Why are you breaking into that house? I saw you do it. Just admit it. Why were you doing it? Fool, You know what, man? You want to come in here and accuse me of stuff. I'm not accusing you. Wait. Yes, you are, fool. You telling me that I was breaking into the house when I wasn't. But you were. I saw you. Fool. You know what, man? Whatever. Fine. I was breaking into the house. What you gonna do about it? You gonna arrest me on Thanksgiving, man? That ain't very thankful of you, fool. Okay. Enough of this. Why were you breaking into the house? If your excuse is good enough and actually makes sense, I'll consider not arresting you. Okay? But you gotta give me a good excuse. You can't just say because I felt like it or anything crappy or shitty like that. You gotta tell me something that makes sense. Why are you trying to break into that house? Go. Alright, fool, man. Why was I trying to break into that house? Well, fool, I needed a turkey for Thanksgiving, and we ain't got one, so I was gonna go in their house and steal one. You were gonna break into their house so you could steal a turkey. Yes, I was, fool. Yes, I was. But I said give me a reasonable excuse, something that actually makes sense, okay? That is not a good reason. That's not a good reason to break into somebody's house. You can't just do that to steal a turkey, okay? Look, I don't have a turkey for Thanksgiving. I don't. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna go break into someone's house, someone who actually has a turkey, someone who's thankful and is trying to look forward to their holidays, and I'm gonna ruin their Thanksgiving just to make yours better. Yeah, man, I need a turkey, man. I go steal it. Just because you need it doesn't mean that you can go in there and take it from them, okay? You don't need a turkey that bad that you gotta ruin someone else's Thanksgiving. That's not how Thanksgiving works. You're telling me that I'm... You want a turkey? Yeah, man, I need that turkey. Okay, well maybe you can ask someone for it instead of breaking into their house with a gun. That's not how it works. Man, you don't know how none of this works. Look at your skin. You ain't nothing like me. You did. Okay. Enough of this. Okay? This video is stupid. This is stupid. Okay? You really were trying to break into someone's house to steal a turkey. That is not a good enough thing to break into someone's house for, okay? I don't understand what I'm even doing here. I don't understand. I don't know. Why was I even outside? Why was I even outside that person's house? Why was I there? What was I doing? Yeah, man, what were you doing? I was going to ask you that. It's none of your business what I was doing. I'm just pointing it out. What was I doing? Why was I there? I don't know. Ask the cameraman. Ask the why. Why was I standing there? It doesn't matter why I was standing there. You know why? Because this is stupid. This plot is stupid. This video is stupid. This is all stupid. Turn off the camera.